Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy Economic Calendar of the Week. Each week, our news analysts review the upcoming economic events that you should be monitoring during the week. As the new month unfolds, there are a lot of major data events scheduled for the week. Earnings will begin to tone down as most of the majors have released their data. The week kicks off on Saturday with China's National Bureau of Statistics releasing Purchasing Managers' Index gauges for both the services and manufacturing sectors. The private sector Caixin Manufacturing PMI is released on Monday, with the services index on Wednesday. Also in Asia this week, there are a few significant events, including the RBA meeting on Tuesday. The majority of economists expect no change to interest rates, although the accompanying statement will be looked at very closely to garner clues about future rate moves. The first week of August will see two keenly watched economic releases, one on each side of the Atlantic. The Bank of England's policy announcement on Thursday, meeting minutes from the Monetary Policy Committee and the latest inflation report will for the first time all be released simultaneously. Friday's job data is expected to show the US economy created 222,000 new jobs in July. Also, the unemployment rate is expected to hold steady at 5.3%. Investors will be keeping an eye on the job growth numbers as the US Federal Reserve Chief Janet Yellen has made it clear she's looking out for some improvement in the job market before voting for the first Fed interest rate rise in nearly a decade. On Wednesday, the ADP National Employment Report is likely to show US private employers added 215,000 jobs in July, down from the previous month's 237,000 jobs. Also, next week's focus will be on Wednesday's data on services sector growth, business activity index and employment index from the Institute for Supply Management. Separately on Tuesday, the Commerce Department's figures on new orders for manufactured goods is expected to have increased 1.8% in June after a drop of 1% in May.